6 milk masks that you can do at home. Why milk? The lactic acid in milk acts as an excellent moisturizer. It can gently exfoliate the skin and reduce the size of your pores. Milk treats acne, sunburn, lightens the skin tone, cleanses the skin and hair, and it also makes the skin firm and smooth and has a mild exfoliating effect. Face wash for healthy and clear skin. All you need is milk and honey. Mix the two ingredients, 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of honey, till you achieve a cream-like consistency. Dip a cotton pad into the mixture and apply it to your face in circular motions. Let the mixture sit on your face for 10 minutes. Wash your face with cool water and massage gently. Pat your skin dry and follow up with a toner and moisturizer. A DIY toner for acne-prone skin. Ingredients are 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of rose water. Mix 2 tablespoons of milk with 2 tablespoons of rose water and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar together. Apply it with a cotton swab on the face and neck. That's it. A soothing soak for irritated skin, super dry, itchy, red, or irritated from a sunburn. What you'll need is milk and a bathtub. Empty cold milk into your bathtub and have a relaxing time. Or soak towels in milk and aloe vera gel and apply it to the skin. Face mask for skin smoothing. The ingredients you'll need are 2 tablespoons of milk and 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix the honey and milk until you have a thick consistency. Put the mix in the microwave for a few seconds. Ensure the mixture is not too hot and use your fingers to spread the mask on your skin. Let the mask stay for at least 15 minutes. Wash your face with cool water and soap. Follow up with a toner and moisturizer. A cleansing scalp tonic for dandruff-prone hair. Ingredients are ½ cup of milk and 2½ tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda works to scrub the flakes of the scalp as you massage it in. The lactic acid in milk can rid the scalp of any buildup or excess oil, leaving the scalp cleaner and healthier. A straightening hair mask for dry, frizzy hair. What you'll need is milk and a spray bottle. Put the milk into a spray bottle and spritz it from the roots down to the ends. Gently run a comb through your hair to ensure that milk is spread evenly, and continue tugging at your strands for 20 minutes. Rinse and shampoo. The milk fat adds weight to the hair just as keratin treatments do, and straighten it. Thank you all for watching this video. Please share your results in the comments section below. Subscribe and like. Have a good day.